Well, the Parrot's got his pajamas on. His pillow ready to go. It'll be night time soon for the Parrot. Donaldson takes a strike.
Looks like he's found a friend there.
Looking for a bedtime story. No Parrot slept with their eyes open, Steve. Did you?
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of things we don't know about the Parrot. The tam.
SpongeBob SquarePants pajamas. Who lives on a pineapple under the sea?
There's something wrong with that picture.
Donaldson grounds out to Gomez. One gone.
Pirate Parrot. He's got it all down. He's got it all together.
Well, they're waking him up.
Wake up call.
Yeah, he's got to find another place to sleep.
This guy just can't get any rest anymore. He wakes up cranky, doesn't he? Homeless Parrot.
Got no home.
Pedro Alvarez had a couple of hits and 2 RBIs. And the pajama-wearing Parrot is carrying the Jolly Roger.